What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com. Today, coming to you live and direct on MARA. Something that we put out today on Twitter. I mentioned that I was watching it, looking at trading it. We got into a real simple play here, and this was a dip buying situation that broke out of some trendline resistance. It was a very clean play, and I just want to show you what we were doing on this thing. So you can see the pre-market again. MARA was moving up pre-market, and it was really putting in some work. This stock over the last 5, 6, 7 sessions has been all over the map, transitioning from $1 up to $10, and then trading all the way back down to about 3.5, and now back up into that 4 range. So there has been a ton of volatility on MARA, and this thing we've punched a couple positions out a number of times in the last couple sessions, and today this is what we did, and it was just a simple play. You can see that we had this nice flagpole, and it started to flag right through here. But out of the gate, this thing dropped and it dipped right down through here. Price action found itself below all of its moving averages in the VWAP. And it wasn't terribly interested until we got on the north side of that VWAP. And then when it did, right generally through this area right through here, you can see that we were looking at some trendline resistance. And we were given an entry, and essentially all we were doing was looking at that trendline resistance and looking for a breakout. Now, my momentum indicator was telling me in this general area, as all of these moving averages and the VWAP, as they were all holding price action up and offering me a level of support, the key momentum indicators that I use started to transition to the upside, and it was in that moment that I decided to get long. And you can see that very simply, this thing popped over just a few minutes, finding about a 507 high before pulling back very, very quickly. Now, I'd love to tell you that I sold out at the top of this, but I didn't. Essentially, what I did was when it pulled back and the tape was printing a lot of bids coming in lower and lower and lower on size, I decided to let go of the position, but I was still watching it. Excuse me. And essentially, all I did was I looked at that high again, and I just set it up, and it gave me some insight as to what I'd want to do moving forward if it was to break again. Now, I did get into another position right through here. You can see that I got head faked, and I was forced to hold, which I did. My stop loss area was not hit, so I remained long. And as it popped through here, we got back into profit, but then you can see that it started to drop precipitously right through here. And again, we were taking profits at that 509, 508 area. So we had 2 trades on MARA. Great moves. Again, we've been hitting this thing time and time and time again over the last about week and a half. It's been showing itself long. It's been showing itself short. And today we hit it twice. And that was the trade of the day on MARA. If you have any questions about this trade, I'm at info@JLewisTrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, we're always putting out content. And check out the description box below if you haven't already signed up. We are offering 7 steps that successful traders take before trading. So if you haven't checked that out, sign up for it. It's absolutely 100% free. And keep this in mind too, guys, that moving into the new year, we're going to be launching a trading room service. So again, if you have any questions about that, feel free to give me an email. I'm at info@JLewisTrading.com. I'm Julian, the lead trader here. And if you have any questions, reach out. This is MARA. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video lesson.